Hello everyone, welcome to the reading for 25th of March. It's a very beautiful Thursday today, and I've got one card from the Science Oracle deck and the other one is from the Raider White Tarot deck. Let's see what messages do the Masters and Guides have for us. Let's start with Science Blessing and see what Sai has to tell us for today. This is the card of Book of Life. Yes, it says, life may have a few bad chapters, but hope of good one is bound to follow. Correct. Each one of us goes through the ups and downs in life. We are only playing out our contract that we have made up there, and we have come here to just relive that, to experience whatever learnings we have come here for. So let us not get sad with one negativity or one downfall in life or some mistakes that we have made, because those are the choices that we have made. Let us not be bound by the choices that we have already made and which may have not worked for us. Instead, let's always have faith that God, the Masters and Guides, the universe is all with us, and as we follow our guidance, as we follow our heart, as we follow our intuitions, only good will follow. We are the creators, we are creating it. Every experience we are experiencing is what we have signed up for, and we are only playing it out here. So let no bad experience or no downfall in life stop you from believing in good, from having faith in yourself and in the universe, because the universe always has your back. And yes, so does Sai, so does the Masters and the Ascended Masters and Guides. The spirit guides and our angels are all with us, always. Let's see what is this card all about. The tarot deck card for today is Strength. How beautiful is this? The first thing I always notice here is the sign of infinity. Yes, everything is infinite. You are an infinite being. We all are. And it is all about your inner strength. We all are stronger than we think. We think that, oh, one bad chapter in our life and it's our downfall. No, every one of us has so much of strength within that we can surpass all of it and create a better chapter, a better life. So have faith in your own self. Know that you are being guided, you are being taken care of. Get into your own intuition, connect with your own intuition, align with your own intuition, and see what messages you're getting from the universe and from within, because you can even tame a lion. That's the strength in you. You are an infinite being, and does an infinite being ever feel hopeless? No, you are that magic that has been created here for a reason. Leap of faith and the strength within are the two ways of changing and creating a better chapter in your life. So that is what the Ascended Masters and Guides are telling you for today. Do not give up, do not lose faith. Have faith in God and the universe and in yourself. You are a part of that universe. You create the universe. So go within, delve within to see what messages come forth, to face whatever situation you're going through in life, and know that it will change. You have created one thing, you will destroy and uncreate that and create something better. Only you have that choice, only you can do that. Yes, they are all there to help, but just go ahead, believe, have faith, and be strong. The magic lies within you. You are the magician. Go ahead and bring out that strength within so that you can even move mountains, because when you have faith, faith moves God and God moves mountains. So with that, I leave you to these beautiful messages to think and ponder on them, and go within and delve in your own being. Bring in your own magic, bring out your own magic, create whatever you would want to create for your highest good. And they are all with us. All we have to do is connect with them. On that note, I send you so much of love and magic. Be the magic that you truly are, and be the transformation that you truly seek. I shall see you tomorrow.